but Somalia and Kenya, because of the wisdom of our two head of states, President Mohamed Barre and Mzee Jomo Kenyatta, we will solve them in peaceful manner without quarrel.
Mr. Ate arrived in Nairobi in a Somali Air Force plane. He was met at the airport by the Somali ambassador, Mr. Hashi Abdullah, and Kenya's deputy head of protocol, Mr. Mboya. This agreement, once it's finally reached, certainly would seem to be tremendously successful from the point of view of your government. It removes the immediate causes of tension.
Yes.
It doesn't, however, seem to strike at any of the root causes. One wonders, for example, whether at the end of all this, would you expect President Nyerere to recognize General Amin?
You see, while I do not want to go into the detail of recognition or non-recognition, you know, I said in my statement that settlement will be tantamount to removing causes of tension and leading to amicable settlement of all problems between Tanzania and Uganda. I think I would like to confine myself to that part now, and hope, just to answer your question fully, that there will be a permanent solution of all their problems.
Would that permanent solution still be negotiated with you sort of in the middle?
And yes, we are trying to leave no stone unturned in making a permanent and firm solution.